Hi viewers, today in this AWS tutorial, let's discuss one of the very interesting topic, that is CloudFront. So you can search here CloudFront. Yeah. If you haven't created any CloudFront, then this is how your screen should look like. But before let's understand why we need this CloudFront. So this is the world map in my screen, and in this map, let's take one example. Let's say you hosted a video in your website in India, and in Australia someone need to see that video or any picture. So that will going to cast through, that will going to access through the whole it will going to pass through whole network, and every time it will going to create a latency. So to minimize that latency, there is a CloudFront edge, elasticity edge is there. So what will happen in Australia? The first user who will going to access that video, that user definitely going to suffer a millisecond delay or pain to access that object from India to Australia. But the second user get the advantage, and that particular object is being cached in this Australia region only. So the second user, when they're trying to the same access to the same object, the second user's request so it can pass through the whole sea to get it from the India where the website or the video had been uploaded. So the second user will get the nearest critical path, which is already you know edge location, AWS edge location through the CloudFront. So that is the advantages. So that is the reason we should understand the region-wise CloudFront. So this is a fresh beginning, and I'm just going to create a distribution. So in the distribution there is a web and RTMP. This is a web distribution. Speed up the distribution of the static and the dynamic content like HTML and the all the graphics. But the RTMP distribution, it's on the CloudFront edge location. You must store the media files, also, and the streaming files. So that is the main difference between the web and the RTMP. Let's discuss about the web first. So I'm going to hit the click button. So there are lots of things here in this create distribution. Let's understand a very high level. So let's say this is the origin domain. So these are the, if you remember, these are the bucket I had created. Let me show you the buckets here. If you go to the S3, RAS 2018, RAS 2018 1, RAS 2018 2. Go to the CloudFront, create the distribution, get started the web, and if you click here, RAS 18, RAS 18, RAS 18 1, and RAS 18 2. So let's say RAS 18 1, I want to select here. And this is the origin ID. Origin ID is always, it's contained the unique one. If you want more information, you can click this information button. Here you can see the value lets you distinct multiple origin in the same distribution from the another. The distribution for each origin must be unique within the distribution. So restrict the bucket access. Let's say yes. Create a new identification. If you have the already existing one, use the one already. Let the AWS will going to create a new identity. So I wanted to make it very simple. So I'm not manipulate any of the complex configuration. So this is the pet. By default it's a star wildcard, but it's a HTTP and HTTPS both are available. But for my case, we are going to check for the HTTPs to HTTPS if the request comes from, but HTTPS only. In that case, you will have to setting up the SSL certificate. All those methods, put, post, and delete, everything is available for your selection according to your requirement. These are the milliseconds. This is a by default TTL milliseconds. This is smooth streaming. Use only US, Canada, Europe. What edge we want to use all edge location, best performance for the best performance throughout the globe. All the continent edge will going to case the distribution. This is the SSL certificate. By default it's cloud.net along with the wildcard, but if you have some customization name, customization domain name like this one, example.com, if you have your customization name, so in that case you can choose your own and you need to import the certificate. And it's finally going to enable. If you hit the create, sometimes it will going to take a little time. You can see by clicking the distribution dashboard, it's in progress now. It will take 10 to 15 minutes, or sometimes lesser than this. Once it's enabled, we'll proceed. And this is the domain name, and domain name is not that user friendly. It's a alphanumeric value along with the cloud.net. This will be the our ID. So once its state has in progression has completed, we will try to access the cloud. Okay, so now the our web has been deployed successfully. It took 15 to 18 minutes for me to complete its in progress state. Now it's in enabled. So from here, if you want to see the settings, then this is the URL through which you can access all the objects which is already available within that bucket which we have just deployed. This is the origin, and this is the origin name. This is the access identifier and the behavior. The pattern you can choose whether it's a wildcard star or you want to access something specific. Let's take an example. You have the PNG file and doc file and document file. So you can behavior you can enable as per your requirement. Error page, you can define your own error page, customize and geo restriction. Here let's say let's take an example for South Africa or Pakistan. You want to just restrict any excess comes from any particular region of the world. So in that case, you just need to add those restrictions here, and that won't release on those particular geographical location. This is inheritance and the tax. So that is how a little explanation about the CloudFront distribution. And once you've done that, if you are using a free account, do not forget to disable it, otherwise it will be included in your cost bill. Thank you.